Welcome to Everyday English Excellence.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hello, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
Do you live here?
No, I'm just visiting.
Where are you going?
I'm going to New York.
Oh, me too. Are you on vacation?
Yes, I am. How about you?
I'm going for work.
That sounds interesting.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I do. I travel for work.
How long is your flight?
It's about 7 hours.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, the seat is nice.
Do you prefer window or aisle?
I like the window seat.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a software engineer.
Oh, that's cool.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I love it. And you?
Yes, teaching is my passion.
That's wonderful.
Have you been to New York before?
No, it's my first time.
You will love it. It's a busy city.
I can't wait to explore.
Do you have any plans?
Yes, I want to visit Central Park.
That's a great choice.
Thanks for the suggestion.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I love reading during flights.
What are you reading now?
I'm reading a mystery novel.
Sounds fun.
Do you watch movies on flights?
Sometimes, when I'm not too tired.
What's your favorite movie?
I love action movies. What about you?
I enjoy comedies.
That's a good choice.
Have you traveled alone before?
Yes, many times.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's peaceful. How about you?
I prefer traveling with friends.
That's nice too.
Do you speak other languages?
I can speak a little Spanish.
Wow, that's cool.
Do you speak any other languages?
No, just English for now.
That's okay, English is important.
Do you like airplane food?
It's okay, but I prefer home-cooked meals.
Me too. Home food is the best.
Exactly.
How do you pass the time on long flights?
I read or listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. And you?
I love jazz.
That's a cool choice.
Do you have any recommendations?
You should try listening to John Coltrane.
I will, thanks.
You're welcome.
Are you staying in a hotel in New York?
Yes, I booked a small hotel near Times Square.
That sounds perfect.
I hope it's nice.
Do you travel with family?
Sometimes, but this trip is solo.
Traveling alone can be fun too.
Yes, it gives me time to relax.
Do you like flying?
It's okay, but I don't love it.
I'm the same. I get a bit nervous.
I understand. It's normal.
How do you stay calm?
I listen to music or sleep.
That's a good idea.
It works for me.
What do you do after landing?
I like to walk around the airport.
That's a good way to stretch your legs.
Yes, it helps after a long flight.
Do you shop at the airport?
Sometimes, if I see something interesting.
I like looking at souvenirs.
Yes, they are fun to buy.
Do you have a favorite airline?
I like the one we're on now.
Yes, they have good service.
I agree.
Do you have a layover?
No, it's a direct flight.
That's nice. Layovers can be tiring.
Yes, I prefer direct flights.
Are you excited about your trip?
Yes, I can't wait to arrive.
Me too. It's going to be great.
I hope we both enjoy it.
Do you have a home office?
Yes, I have a small office at home.
What do you use it for?
I use it for work and studying.
Do you spend a lot of time in your office?
Yes, I work there every day.
Do you take care of your home?
Yes, I try to keep my home clean and organized.
What is the hardest part?
Cleaning the bathroom is the hardest part.
Do you enjoy cleaning?
Not really, but I like having a clean house.
Do you spend time with your family at home?
Yes, we spend a lot of time together.
What do you do with your family?
We watch TV, play games, and cook together.
Do you enjoy spending time with them?
Yes, it's my favorite part of the day.
Do you call your friends often?
Yes, I talk to my friends every week.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
I prefer texting, but sometimes I call.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use social media to stay in touch.
Do you like to read the news?
Yes, I read the news every morning.
Do you prefer reading or watching the news?
I prefer reading the news.
Do you read the newspaper?
Sometimes, but mostly I read online news.
Do you listen to music at home?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and classical music.
Do you sing along?
Yes, I love singing along to my favorite songs.
Do you drink tea in the evening?
Yes, I drink tea before bed.
What kind of tea do you drink?
I like herbal tea.
Does tea help you relax?
Yes, it helps me sleep better.
Do you do any hobbies at home?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What do you like to paint?
I like painting landscapes.
How often do you paint?
I try to paint at least once a week.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How long have you been playing?
I've been playing for 5 years.
Do you practice every day?
I practice a few times a week.
Safe travels, Alex.
Thanks, you too, Sarah.
And that's it for today's video. I hope these simple conversations help you improve your English. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video. Bye!